Without you, Lord knows where I'd be. Lost someplace so probably looking down every lamplit street for you. I sail across the Baltic Sea, climb the highest mountain peak, shoot fireworks for you to see. That's what I do. What I do, what I'll do. I saw your face, then I knew this heart was made for only you, only you.
On this day, I promise I will always treat you with honesty, integrity, and respect. I will always do my best to meet you far past the middle in both great times and the challenging times we will face. I will challenge your comfort zones as I help to continue our growth into the people we both want to see ourselves become. Every day with you is a gift, and I will treat all our days on this earth as such. You are my better half, my best friend, my lover, and my biggest fan. I love you. Let's do this.
I have been looking forward to this day since the moment we met. And although I have always known it was you, it still feels surreal to be standing here by your side. You are my best friend, my biggest supporter, my partner in life, and my favorite person in the universe. Every day I fall more in love with you, your charismatic spirit, your adventurous spunk, your deep loving heart, and your passion for life. You have taught me patience, strength, how to open my heart completely, and more about base jumping than I could have ever imagined. I love the person I am when I am with you, and I vow to always love you for the person you are. I promise to forever make you laugh, to never miss an opportunity to grab that perfect butt of yours. So good. To be the best mother to our one day children. Don't get too excited, Mom, Dad. To continue to grow and face life's challenges with you hand in hand. And above all else, to always show you how much you mean to me. My true soulmate in every sense. I love you.
By the state of Hawaii, I pronounce you man and wife. Okay, you guys can go to first base.
We could spend a year in France. I'd learn the things that make you laugh. Or we could do so many things like that. I'd give you the moon and change the stars. Most anything to win your heart. Oh, I'd dance with you into the dark. What I do, what I'll do. Saw your face, then I knew this heart was made for only you, only you. 'Cause only you can make me feel the way I do. Like every day, it's deja vu, and I'm meant to be with you. Without you, Lord knows where I'd be. Lost someplace so probably looking down every lamplit